All right, the momentum with Save Club is still full throttle. It's looking really good. I have a lot of members and a lot of friends and people that I've met online joining, and so far so good. Okay, when it comes to an opportunity like this, timing is everything. Okay, the next 30 days, doing the blitz, doing the ballroom blitz like the band Sweet used to sing about. Do videos, post, I don't know, on social media, TikTok, maybe Facebook, just spreading the message about Save Club, okay? Inviting people to click something to watch a link. That's all you have to do, okay? The reason I'm a big fan of Save Club is because it's almost a clone of LiveGood, okay? A couple years ago, LiveGood just boom, came out of mama, gave birth. And all of a sudden, 2 million people joined over the last 2 years. And there's a reason why, because it's simple. The products are great. It's based upon wholesale pricing on some real cool products. Okay? Very affordable. The affiliate fee is so cheap. Everybody can afford LiveGood. All right? I like the background. I like the website design. It's very simple. Even if you have zero experience or you have tried to do online business, maybe you tried MLM type of things over the last 10, 20, or 100 years, and maybe you just didn't get any traction, okay? A lot of times the opportunity is designed just to make money. The product sucks. They're overpriced, okay? Vacation this, travel that, come and watch a 45-minute movie, and oh my gosh, you're going to get a free week stay at a resort you never heard of. All right? There's a lot of things out there. I don't know if you'd want to call it bait and switch, maybe fake it to make it. Okay? But when it comes down to saving money on things you're already buying, okay, I'm a big fan of that. Okay? I like to shop. You put me in a Walmart or a toy store, you put eBay or Amazon in front of this chubby little cheeked face, I go crazy because of this stupid thing. I tickle a mouse's butt. Look, it giggles. God, who invented this online thing? I love to shop. I like to buy food and water. I like to do things that make me live. It makes me tick, talk, and rock. Okay? And if you can save money on things you're already buying, okay, that's another plus with this type of design, of this template, of this thing. Okay? Because right now, in this day and age, it's 2025. Some people have an abundance of cash and are doing really well. Some people, they break even. And some people, they're struggling. It's going to be like this until an asteroid or the sun blows up and we're all vaporized. Okay? There's going to be good, bad, and ugly. There's going to be a roller coaster of something. Good, bad, and ugly just coming, ready to smack you right on your butt. Okay? With this opportunity, you just got to step aside, look at the opportunity, relax, don't freak out, and just study and see what this thing is all about called Save Club. Okay? So anyway, if you've already joined Save Club, I recommend you do what I'm doing. It seems to work. If you're thinking about joining, I sure hope you join my team. I'm still going to do the same thing. Every day I do video. If I hear some gossip or techniques that work, I'm going to let everyone know, my downline, and I do quite a bit of YouTube video. You're more than happy, or if you'd like to, I'm more than happy to help you if I can, but I do it by video. If I just record a video like this, I can reach hundreds, if not thousands of people over the next week, month, year. You might be watching this video 5 years in my future. Okay? This Santa beard might even be more white. Or I could be croaked. I could be gone, baby. But I live on in YouTube's world of video. Okay? So, what is this Save Club thing? All right? I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to show you what to watch. You sit back, make a decision. But I'll tell you what, it's the last week of April. I got to look at my calendar. It's the 25th. And the next 30 days is when you should be joining and inviting people to look at this opportunity. Most, in my opinion, most of the larger earners that are going to be affiliates that are going to earn some substantial money are probably those that join in the next 30 to 45 days. Of course, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 months, 10 months, you're still going to save money. I know you will. There's going to be over 2 million participants business worldwide just in the next month, right around June 1st. All right, that's the ready, set, go with the founder, Charles. He's like, by the time it's June 1st, boy, we're going to be substantially kicking ass. And right now, I just typed in my area code here in Salt Lake, Utah, and I found about $50 to $100 of savings on stuff I do every single day, week, and month on purchasing things. All right? Especially with car insurance and car washing. I like to wash my vehicles, my trucks and cars and bikes and everything else. I even like to wash myself. Sometimes I just go to the car wash. I just strip down in my skivvies and I just go ahead and give myself a once over. And, after they arrest me, I get back out and I don't learn my lesson. I go do it again, especially at the Quick Quack car wash. Do you have one of those in your neck of the woods? The Quick Quack? It's like a duck. I mean, I can't help but just go and stand in the car wash and just get down on it, baby. I play Casey and the Sunshine Band and Kool and the Gang while washing myself off. And thanks to Save Club, I save $6 at one car wash and 10 at the other. And I'm not kidding. I really am saving on car washing. I'm just a professional smarty pants. Okay. Some people call me a smartass. I can't believe it. All right. So what do I do? All right. How'd I get 12 people to sign up just in one 24-hour period? Guys, I just keep it simple. All right. I love saveclub.com. Who do you love? You love your mama. You love your daddy. You love sports. All right. Maybe you love your pet hippopotamus in the backyard. But you're going to love Save Club. I think you're going to really have a good time, especially if you're in LiveGood already and you like the structure and the web design and just the theory. Just the ownership of LiveGood is awesome. And I know the people behind this Save Club. I'm a big fan of theirs as well. Okay, so I get business cards for $20 at Vistaprint. I go to GoDaddy and I buy myself a sexy little domain. I love saveclub.com. I don't mind giving you guys my email address. If I can help you, I sure will. And when you click I love saveclub.com, it goes to a capture page. Okay, do you want to see it? Okay, watch. I love saveclub.com. And look where it goes. It goes to a capture page where, if you want more information, put your name and information, just right here. It's easy. Secure my position. Now, that doesn't mean you're already joined, but it just means you're locked in. And if you want to join, awesome. Okay, you can lock in and join my team as you fill out that form right there and put secure my position. You have till every Friday at midnight to pay to be a member. But if I have 10 to 20, and right now I got a lot of people pre-enrolled. I think I have 15 people ready to join. But if you hurry and join right now, great, you're locked in. But if you want to pre-position, okay, just fill out this information, secure, boom. Okay, and since today's Friday morning, you have till tonight to go ahead and pay. If not, you might have 10, 15, 20 people pass you up. Okay, in this business, sooner the better, guys, and you know this. So after you go to I love, all right, you ready? I love who? I love Save Club. Go there.com. Watch this video right below my little picture here, okay? It's about a 6-minute video. It is the founder, Charles. He's going to tell you a little bit more about this opportunity as an affiliate and the product and how to save money and everything else. Okay, please look into it. The next video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes, log into my account, and I'm going to show you how to search for deals and deals and deals. I'm going to show you just how I'm going to save $50 to $100 on things that, like I said, I'm already buying. All right, don't be crazy. If you know how to search for things you're already buying and take your cell phone along, hold it up to that person or enter it on the web site of whatever you're buying, then boom, go ahead and save money, guys. It's $19.97 a month. That's it. To be an affiliate, it is $60 one-time fee. You get a massive website. All right. You're going to get this capture page right here. All right. And on top of it, all right, you're going to save money on things you're already buying. Okay. But look at that already. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh. Okay, it looks like I had 2 upgrades already today, but look at that. I got 12. I've only been doing this basically a full 24-hour period. Yesterday, I just started uploading videos. And look, 10 people signed up on Thursday. It looks like I have 2 this morning. Very exciting. And thank you to those 12 people. All right, I'm going to send you a nice email, tell you exactly what I do. And I think you're going to save money from the get-go, which I know you're going to. I know you're going to. especially with over 2 million people taking part, 2 million businesses. Okay. I have no doubt we'll probably sign up 1 million or 2 people over the next year or two. Okay. We're focusing now on Singapore. All right. Asian properties, UK, of course, here in the United States, Philippines is going to kick butt with this. Okay. So don't delay. If you're watching me now, you need to sign up. I'm not going to beg you. I'm not going to say pre-enroll and kick tires. I'm just going to say, look into this. Take no less than maybe a half day. But guys, you need to sign up now. The larger money, the massive downlines are going to be built over the next 30 to 45 days. Everybody knows this. But the only way you can participate and be a part of the success of what might be, okay, disclaimer, is by not sitting around just watching. If you got 79 bucks and 97 pennies, guys, just lock in, please. Don't delay. All right, I'm excited for a lot of people, especially if you're in LiveGood. Okay? I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there right now and just watch that short little video and let's lock in, okay? All right, guys, thanks. Looks like I'm at the 11-minute mark, so thank you for the last 11 minutes of your life. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Don't be shy, okay? Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.